Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon. In this session, we are going to see dairy management system. We can call it as a milk collection system as well. And there are some different aspects about it. Means first of all, farmers, correct. Here you could see there is a farmers and they are having a cow or buffalo, correct. And after that, means we will get the milk from them and means cow or buffalo, correct. And we will collect these, and then after that there is a milk collection center. Means here there are some different machineries available, and with the help of that we can test the quality of the particular milk. And there is a miss, either it is buffalo milk or a cow milk. Miss, we are checking um, fat or SNF of the particular milk. And SNF, or we can call it as a solid non-fat, is that nutrient portion present in the milk which is other than the milk fat and water. So yeah, and at the finally means when we have a collection of the milk at the end, then we are providing this milk to the means dealer, or who is the major one who is providing the milk in that area. So and they are pasteurized it, and after that we will get the uh, milk pack, or we can say uh, milk bag. Yeah, as we seen introduction about this project, and there are 3 to 4 modules in it. We will see modules and technical details in few seconds. Before of that, there is a why project is useful and how it helps in your career. First of all, in this project, there is a front end as a VB.NET and back end as a database. Means um, SQL Server is used. So I created some forms. I will show you in a few seconds. And there is a means first of all there is a exe is generated, and I will show you that software, as well as there are some codings as well from front end side. And from back end there are some tables, stored procedure, data. Or right now the data is ready, and means there is a for 5 to 6 months data in it. And if we have to create the data in dynamic way, so we can create it, and at the end we can analyze this data. Means how data is collected month wise, then there is a daily milk collection day end, and after that there is a payment system. So we can analyze the data in terms of multiple aspects, like milk type wise. Means cow, how much cow milk, how much is the buffalo milk. Then there is a month wise payment system, then there is a collection system. So we will see in detail. Yeah, next is modules and technical details. First of all, we will see modules. Means milk collection. When farmer visit to the milk collection center, at that time he gave us the some milk, like it is a cow milk or a buffalo milk or both. And based on that, the system will check the quality of the particular milk, and they are checking fat, SNF, and based on that rate will calculate. And based on the quantity, means there is a 2 liter or a 4 liter, or in terms of the decimal like there is a 5.7 liters, correct. And once that date means collected the milk from the farmers, then they will collect in their can, and after that they are sending this milk to the upper level dealer. Means who is placed at the district level or a taluka place or a city place. Correct? Yeah, main dealer will collect this milk from small dealers, and they will pack it and send to the customer. Correct. And yeah, there is a advanced module. It means suppose right now there is a farmer name is as a, and he he's miss every day there is a miss supplying 5 liters or a 10 liters or a 2 liters da- uh, means milk daily, correct? So if they want the money from milk collection system or a milk collection center, then he will miss he's taking some advance from them, correct? And one more thing, some dairy or a collection system, they are having a supplements as well. Means there is a khadya, or we can say, we can call it as a veterinary. Means there is a doctor services for the cow and buffalo, or there are some uh, in terms of the veterinary, in terms of the it means food material. So these are the supplement, and they are charging for them like there is a 500 rupees, and they are collecting some milk. Means suppose they are collecting the milk like the 1000 amount per day, and means twice, or means after 2 days or 3 days, means some farmers want the supplements or advance from the milk collection center, then they can take it, correct? Or if no any advance or supplement not taken from the milk collection system, and then farmers will collect the payment from the milk collection center at the weekend, or we can call it as a half of the month, or at the month end. Means there is a monthly payment to the farmers pay by the paid by the milk collection center. Yeah, next is technical details. In this I used VB.NET as a language point of view, and SQL Server as a database. So I created one database, and in that there are multiple tables, stored procedure. So yeah, we will see in the next session, or at the end of this session. Yeah, and first of all, how to create the database, understand the different entities. Means first of all, as we see, we got the some means a brief introduction about the project. Means what we have to do, correct? So we have to identify the entities. Means customer, or we can call it as a farmer, correct? And means who is supplying us as a milk. Then milk collection system. Milk collection system, what it does actually, it taking the milk, correct? But there is a based on the some criteria. Means that milk collection center having some machineries, means they are checking the quality of milk. Then there is a how this yeah, actually how this quality will check, and there is a some criteria are defined based on the SNF or fat, and there is a then rate will calculate, correct? So how that looks like, means suppose here is an example. Means here is the vertical, there is a fat, means 5.0, 6.0, 7.0, 8.0, correct? And in the horizontal direction there is a 7.5, 6, 7.0. So these are the some fat value and SNF value. Based on that, there is a rate will calculate. Let's say uh, in that particular one sample, there is a sample collection at the start of the mm, means they once farmer is reached to the dairy collection, or then he's giving the sample, correct? And they are checking the fat value and SNF value for that sample. Means let's say there is a 6.0 as the fat value and 7.6 as the SNF value. Then how much rate? 24.30. And how much the quantity? 5 liter. So 5 into 24.30, how much is the value? So that value is nothing but the means day per day collection for that particular mm, farmer. And this is the rate of cow chart, and this is the cow. And one more thing, there is a buffalo as well. So buffalo milk having the different things, means there is a different fat, different SNF value, and based on that rate will calculate. And so both the addition means cow plus milk, one farmer will supply us cow milk, one farmer will supply the buffalo milk, and some of the farmers will supply us the buffalo as well as cow milk. So these are the means we have to make the addition, and after that we have to make a payment. Means we are not computerized completely system, but actually we have to use some different machineries and software so that we can actually, instead of the manual correction, we can do the automation process. And yeah, and in terms of the technical, there is a how to create the database, different means identify the different entities, correct? And table creation, how to create the data, how to create the tables, and there are means database diagram, how these tables are related to each other, means like and there is a rate master, then there is a day daily milk collection, correct? So we have to enter this information in some of the tables, correct? So then there is a customer master. So we require that master table as well as transaction table as well, and we need to relate it to each other. Then database diagram come into the picture to identify that, correct? And there is a test data insertion. Actually, first of all, I will show you whatever the data present in the system, and I will show you what is the how to insert the data. Means testing point of view is you have to create the millions of record. So I have a, some set of queries. With the help of that you can create the millions of records in it. Means we have a database, and we know the queries. With the help of that we can insert the data, and there is a explanation of the purpose of each table. Means how that, what is the purpose behind to create the each table. Then there is a select query. Means suppose at the end if we have to uh, write the query, means we have to we required the data, means we have to uh, create a some report, correct? So for that report which we have to collect the data from multiple tables, right? So you have to write the select query for that. So we will see that, means there are some different questions on it for exercise point of view. So we will go through that. Yeah, and I will write, means I will upload all the SQL queries on the learn SQL with sagar.blogspot.com. Okay, if you like my videos and SQL project, then please like it and subscribe my channel, and please share it to others as well so that they will get the same benefits. Got it? And yeah, we will understand the dairy management system in few seconds. So let's start. Yeah, this is the dairy software. Yeah, and let's see one master first of all, and then there are some transaction tables or reports as well. And yeah, one by one we will go through it. First of all, as I said, there are some different master I created here. Country master, state master, district, taluka, city, gender. Actually, you know, miss all the things, but let's say we will go through it. Miss first of all, here I enlist all the countries on this form, and actually these are the common one. And let's say for city, suppose you have to create the new city, then I'm enter it as a Pune, got it, and means whatever that particular, let's say, yeah, Karjat. Okay, save it. So new record will appear here. Or if you have to search, then city name wise or taluka place wise, then w- we added it in a Karjat. So I'm say filter it. Yeah, so you will get that record here. And if you want um, complete Excel sheet, so just refresh it, and yeah, refresh it first of all and then export it. So you will get complete list of, means whatever the data present in the grid here like this. means whatever means there are 196 records are available in table, so you will get that. Okay. And yeah, these are the some masters like the gender master. It is a very simple male female, correct? And there is a salutation means there is a Mr. Mrs. Miss, correct? And yeah, actually these are the important masters means like the SNF master. SNF master means there is a value means as we seen there is a value from 7.5 up to the means 9.5, and based on that particular SNF and PAT we are calculating the rate. So here we have to define the SNF value. This is the very simple one. And yeah, there is a fat master means here there is a fat value starting from the 2.5. Previously before some days they said me, yeah, from 2.5 2.0 we have to do it. So and after that, yeah, means in rate chart they are saying, yeah, there is a value start from the 2.5, so we have a scope to up to the 2.5 to multiple means there is a 11 means there is a point value is increased by the 1 means 9.8, 9.9, 10, 10.10, so such like that 10.10, 11.0, 11.10, something like, correct. And yeah, main important thing is here is, yeah, next one is the rate master. It is the important means here is the fat value is defined. And first of all, I will show you. Yeah, image means based on that we are calculating the rate. Fat is 6.0 and SNP is 7.5. 6.0, 7.5. So fat is 6.0 here and rate is 7.5. Sorry, SNP is 7.5. So based on the yeah, here is the cow means how much actually right now the variation in the rate means there is a something right now it is a 40, and after that it will be a 45, so it is basically is right now it is showing as a 24, so but in after few months it increase, correct, but the values are remain constant 6.0 and 7.5 based on, and that we means there is a sub dealer or a major dealer, they are defining the rate, and based on the that we are collecting the mm, milk from the farmers, and we are giving this rate to the farmers. Okay, and yeah, this is the miss fat value, SNF value, and based on the milk type, rates are defined, correct. And if we have to enter the new, then we have to define, yeah, 2.6 or there is a 7.0. Then what is the milk type? Cow, and rate is the 20 point, or we can say 23, and save it. So the new value it's come over here. And if you have to filter the data, then just select it. There is a 7.6 or a 7.8 or a milk type is a cow. Then I think that is not, yeah, for buffalo because SNF value is low in the cow, so or fat value low. So these are the values based on the constraints means like the whatever the values we have, and we are getting the rate at here. Got it. And I added some more functionality here means there is a means if in the bulk we have to add one more 1 rupees to all the rates means there is a cow rate, and we have to add the 1 rupee for all the rates, then it will increment. There is a logic is written behind of this, and then we have to decrement the rate, then we can do that as well. Got it. And yeah, miss new save update activate or deactivate means here is the right now no any miss 2.0 and 8.10, uh, sorry, 2.10 and 8.10 for cow, 15 rupees rate, correct. So how to activate it. Yeah, we can activate it, and so it will show it on the UI, means while collecting the milk from the farmer. So yes, this is the rate master, and there is a milk type master. It is the very simple, means actually we are collecting the cow milk, buffalo milk, right? And then there is a milk time, means we are collecting the milk at morning time and evening time. Then category master, actually this is category master which is used for the supplement point of view. Means suppose there is a pet food, veterinary and supplement, and I am opening again subcategory. In subcategory there is a khadya, correct, and there is a sugars, then there is a khapri. So which are supplement is the um, category, and khapri is the subcategory. Like veterinary means doctor fees how much, so we can add that. Here you could see there is a doctor fees which is under the veterinary, like this. And here I, for test I used test, right? And it is, I am activating it, and then sorry, test and do the update. Yeah, actually fonts are not completely showing here because I made them as a big size button, that's why. And yeah, test food, then we can, if we do the deactivate, then that entry will not come on the main transaction form. This is the milk time master, or we can call it as a category master and subcategory master, correct? And then there is a customer master, correct? This is the important form, and here uh, we are entering the information about the customer. Let's say yesterday I entered there is a Mahesh and Gopi, then whatever the middle name, then there is a miss, they are supplying us the milk time in a miss morning or evening or both the, actually right now this constraint is not applying on the main form, and there is a, these constraints are not applied, means there is a all we are considered. There is a one more thing, means let's say Mahale Gopi, means we are accepting morning time as well as evening time, no any constraint right now in the backend. We just created, yeah, first time, means for, yeah, if that particular customer. So as per the Miss Milk Collection System Center, uh, they said, yeah, don't allow this constraint, miss, and milk type as well. Means we can accept at in morning time as well as evening time for both cow as well as milk. But we have to restrict, then we can do that, but actually in the backend none functionality is available. And yeah, we can apply, means we can enter the address of that particular customer at here, or we can call it as a customer means farmer. And yeah, there is a, here is the complete list of all the farmers here. And if we have to export it, then click on export. So in the Excel you will get the information, yeah, information is writing in the Excel, correct? Got it. So this is the, miss, yeah, right now this information is get it in here. With there were 175 customers have data, right? Means there is a male, cow, buffalo, and I'm not saving it. And here is the milk collection form, and this is the, means here we are collecting the data from the farmers. First of all, we are checking the sample, and in sample we are getting the fat value, SNF value, and then after that we are checking the quantity. Means actually first of all quality and then quantity. Based on that actual miss rate, we will calculate the rate, and then finally amount will decide. I will create a one customer in right now. Okay, I am, oh, last name Sonavne Kishore, and yeah, gender is male. From today he's supplying us the milk. In address I'm not making any, yeah, one. Okay, so save it. Okay, so new customer is added, correct. Let's say I am opening this form, and customer code 176, correct. Or you could search from here as well, 176. Yeah, so now Kishore, got it. And how much quantity they are providing? There is a, let's say, 5 liter, and there is a automatic or manual. Means rate will, we can type rate at here, and here is the automatic. Means rate, say he is providing us the cow or a buffalo milk, and what is the fat value? We seen there is a 7.30, and rate SNF value is the 8.9. I think that value is not applicable for that. Actually we can take the buffalo, because the parameters based on the milk type, fat and SNF value are decided, and there is a rate will calculate. So they give us the 7.30 liter. Means actually they give us the 5 liters, and the rate per liter is the 32.3, and final amount is 161.5. So I am saving this record. So the new customer, then I am adding the one more customer. There is a 175. Search it. Yeah, and I will take 10 liters, and there is a 2.5, and so what will be the rate? 40.5. How much amount? 145. Save it. So there are two entries at the morning time, correct. And at the end, means once we collect the entries from the hundreds of customers, then there is a day end collection. Means how much data, means how much milk is collected for cow, 10 liters, or buffalo there is a 5 liters, and I will add one more entry from another. Means there is a if we are collecting all the miss milk in a one, there is a cow milk is separate and buffalo milk is separate in a separate can, but we have to calculate the average. Means at the whence they are collecting all the samples, means all the milk is in a, there is a hundreds or there is a 70 liters milk in a one can, then we have to test the fat value of it and SNF value of that, correct. And then finally rate will decide. So here click on the new. Before of that I will add the one more entry here, new. There is a 174. Search it, and quantity, let's say 4 liter, and yeah, buffalo milk, there is a 9. Okay, I am adding, yeah, 32, correct. So new records is inserted at here, and if we see at the day end, means at in the morning, but we have to there is a previously there is a 5 liters, and there after that there is a 4 liter though, so 9 liter, and whatever the average value of that, so we will get at here. But From there they are checking the um, means with the help of some machines they are checking the fat value and SNF value, and yeah, means this milk they are providing to the means their dealer, got it, means at the district level and or taluka place. And yeah, they are making a one entry means for cow how much entry, 10 liters, correct, and fat value is the 2.5, got it. And after that there is a SNF value 7.5. So here they, yeah, 7.5. So here rate will calculate, and we have to make the entry as a save button. Actually I didn't make the as a new, that's why. So new, then save will appear here, cow 10 and 2.5, yes, 7.5, select it, yeah, and then save it. This is the means per day there are four entries, morning time two entries, evening time two entries. So I am making as a new, and then there is a buffalo entry, 9, fat value is the 7.0 and 9.25. Okay, so either, yeah, this is the uh, means 9.25, we can either define it as a 9.2 or a 9.3. I am making it as a 9.2. So whatever the rates is calculated at here, and based on that calculated the amount. So this is the amount means uh, mm, per day we have to pay to the farmers, and this is the rate, and we collected the 10 years, sorry, 10 liters cow's milk and 9 liters buffalo's milk, correct, yeah. And same for the evening time, got it. And yeah, there is a, at the day end we have to do the entry means this is the morning time, same at for the evening time, yeah. And here is the advance, and let's say advance, we suppose any customer wants advance, let's say 177 customer, okay, new 177, yeah, I didn't press the 176 is there, yeah, okay, my god, my bad. So 176, 177 is not present in the system, that's why we didn't get, and 176, correct. So how much amount I paid them as a 30 rupees advance, got it, advance on 26 June. So save it. Yeah, this is the entry for them. Here we can select the date entry means from this, from first date to 1st June to 30 26, how many the entries, correct. So yeah, there is a settled is flag means I will show you how that settled flag is. And yeah, pet food or veterinary means this is nothing but the supplement. Here there is a 166 customer, correct, and I am providing them as a pet food, right, we can call it as khadya, and quantity let's say 10, and rate per means I am providing as a 3 rupees rate, and there is a 30 rupees amount. I am making a supplement, save it, yeah, this is the entry of the supplement. And there is a payment process means bill process, we can make as a bulk or a customer wise, as we, there is a click on new button, and there is a 176, press it, yeah, and just click on show. So here you will get complete entries here, means there is a, we got the 5 liters from them, means in the means on 26th there is amount as a 161.5, and customer is this and transaction ID is this, and after that we provide, means we given them as a 30 rupees as a advance, 30 rupees as a uh, supplement, so there is a 60 rupees, correct, and 161 rupees we miss we there is a milk amount, so at the end we have to give them as a 101 rupees, but we providing as a 100 rupees, correct. I am settle the transaction, correct, and save it, and at the end you miss I said there is a it's settled flag, so first of all, yeah, I am saving it, got it, and here there is a customer ledger, correct. Here you could see there is a from, we have to filter the date and then enter the customer code, so you will get four entries. Why? Because in means we got the in amount, means we are getting the milk from them of amount 161 rupees, correct, and we are providing them as a, we given 60 rupees, 30 rupees advance, 30 rupees as a supplement, then how much payment we have to give? There is a 100 rupees, means we paid them, right? So opening balance is right now 0, so such a like that. Actually, I created, there is a opening balance value on the report, means in crystal report I created them, but actually I am not considering here the opening balance. Yeah, means there is a is settled. If again that particular yeah, if I am again adding the new entry for the evening time, so first of all I am closing this for, means no confusion, and I'm just making a one entry for them 176, and yeah, they giving us the buffalo milk, and let's say 10 liter, and fat value, so rate is the 27.5. Yes, I'm saved it, and so no problem. Here is, you can see it here, there is a 176, print it, so here is the 275 amount, and if we have to settle it, then go to the bill process customer 176, yeah, and you see it, there is a in previous payment there is a 1.5 rupees was remaining, correct, so and here there is a 275 rupees, means right now we are having a collection of 10 liters milk, and amount is the 275 right now, uh, so means we, there is a nothing advance, nothing supplement, so payable to the customer, so 276 rupees, got it, and I am paying as a 280 rupees to them, so it is minus 3.5 towards us, means yeah, why I am clearing this, because I didn't click on the new button, that's why I am paying as a, yeah, no mark, okay, so we can pay them as a 270 only, so yeah, 6.5 is remaining, okay, yeah, they are saying miss no any records in it, and in the bulk you can do that as well. So if you see customer ledger of 76, and then you will get 6 entry, means once 275 we are providing them as a 270 rupees, and here opening don't consider this field, but yeah, miss if we are going to their sorry, uh, bill process customer and you search it, for just you are checking, and then you will see, yeah, there is a 6.5 rupees payable for miss payable to the customer, miss this is remaining towards us. Yeah, miss this is the customer ledger report, and uh, this is the bill process. Means suppose we have to give payment to all of the slips, or then in the bulk we can do that. Means suppose there are two customers here, right? Means there is a customer code and we collected, there is a 145 120 rupees. So customer wise, here is the summary. This is the transactions, means there are 100 transactions, but here customer wise data we have, and we are providing them in a bulk. There is a advance or a supplement, means here is the, this is the detailed data, this is the detail, and this is the summarized information. And if you click on a process, then yeah, means at the, in a bulk we can mm, do the process, payment process, instead of the just individual. And there is a reports, means first of all I have to provide the 176 show. So means daily milk collection, means from this person how much we got the milk, means evening time, or we can filter that as well. And if click on export, then excel sheet will come and you will get this data. Got it. Actually this system have the old data, means if you observe it, 2014, then there is yeah, I am selecting as a 1st of October, and there is a end date as a 2015, and 28th Jan. So 174 customer. So yeah, there is a data, or you could, there is a 6 customer, then you will get such a data like from means Sandeep Mali. So they are giving us the milk only at the mark, means means probably at, means there is a probably morning time as well as evening time, but most of the time is the evening time, and how much we amount collected and how much the quantity we got from them, means, and they are providing the cow milk, buffalo milk, so such like that. And settle means we can settle this transaction, correct? Means once it is settled, then yeah, means we can call it as a, yeah, we give us the payment, and yeah, that's it. uh then after that, there is a daily meal collection details. Here you will get the data in the detail. Yes, here is the settle, means I didn't settle this transaction, so that why it is in a not clicked here. So yeah, these are the some daily milk collection date wise. So this is the data for your means analysis point of view, and you can create the multiple reports on it. So there is a bill process, customer print, bill process, uh, print details for today, how much entries, correct? So and yeah, there is a configuration, means here we can set the salvation master default value. So uh, when farmer's form is open, then we will get that default values as well. Yeah, I hope you got some idea about it. means what is the UI look like, and in the backend SQL, correct? So our main focus is on SQL side. Yeah, this is the database project. Swaraj is the database name, and there are multiple tables in it. And if we see it, select from information schema dot tables. So you will get the list of tables here, and you have mis- I created the some views, some tables, or there are 46 tables, and there is a routines as well, means store procedure. So I created, there are 145 procs in it. So yeah, means you will get some brief information how to create the store procedure. Actually, I will explain some of the stored procedure which are important for me, insert point of view, update, retrieval point of view, and rest of the things are a similar one. Known means if you know one insert, then you can easily know, yeah, how insert look like. And after that, yeah, we have to, before, as I said, there is a these tables, correct? But before of that, this is the new database, means from my point of view it is the old one, but from your point of view it is the new one. So how to understand the database, correct? What I will uh, means I will upload these SQL files and data files, or instead of data I will create the some SQL files. In that I will show you how to insert the data in the table, means I will provide the master data to you, and the transaction table we have to insert the data with the help of script, and I will upload it on a my blog. First of all, yeah, learn SQL with Sagar. This is the my blog. On this I will create a one separate tag here, means dairy project, and I will upload there, means scripts. And first of all, this database is new to you, correct? So you, first of all, means this is the very short video for I think 20 minutes or something like that. Means how to understand the database which is already developed. So you will get the information from this video, and there is a how to uh, identify the hierarchy of the table. So this is the query for that, and I am creating the new query, and just click on it. So you will get the list of tables, means there is a hierarchy, supplement table or a country table, correct? These are the some master table. Some of the tables are the transaction table, correct? So we will see that in the next session. We will go through all the tables, and after that there are some procedures behind of it. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like it, please share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.